The Federal Capital Territory Administration has hosted the FCT stakeholders' healthcare strengthening needs assessment engagement to advance the implementation of the $80 million Islamic Development Bank assisted FCT Strategic Healthcare Development Project. The project aims to strengthen healthcare delivery in the FCT, ensuring access to quality medical services for residents. Usman Katun Umar report.
Representing the Mandate Secretary of the Fcta Health Services and Environment Secretariat, Dr. Adedolapo Fashawe, the Acting Director General of the FCT Hospital Management Board, Dr. Benga Bellu, after declaring the meeting, reaffirmed the administration's commitment to the project.
If you look at some of our challenges, you talk of human resource for health. We are going to have a new School of Health Technology. We are going to improve on what we have in the College of Nursing. These two critical institutions, is able to supply the medium term or the mid-level healthcare needs of the FCT. And not only that, we are going to also strengthen the health services within the existing hospitals. And also the infectious disease hospital will also be on board. So if we are able to do this, I can tell you that our hope we did will have been renewed.
Dr. Jamilu Isa Enkwashi, the director of the FCT Strategic Healthcare Development Project, leads the implementation of the initiative.
If you look at the agenda, I'm also going to perform the task of overview of the FCT Strategic Healthcare Development Project. For this task, I want to hand over the mic to the consultant of the project, Dr. Sylvester Odigi, to give us the overview of the project.
Now the FCT SOTD project, in compliance with the requirements and provision and of their buy-in into the national framework for strategic health development, they commissioned the concept paper, did feasibility, made economic analysis, and did the project design, and then with the attendant cost implication.
The engagement brought together key stakeholders and dignitaries from various sectors who provided goodwill messages and pledged support for the project.
Let's take all we're going to be getting from here today and Friday and use it to work so that together we can move Nigeria forward. We
appear to be concentrating more on the human and infrastructural development. That is where we are focused in our planning. But as Legal Service Secretariat that I represent at this gathering, there are areas that I think we also need to plan. We also need to incorporate in our planning. And that's areas that relates to issues with legal consequences in the course of the work we do.
Health is very important in our lives. It's the most important aspect of our life, health. So when I saw the project of building the School of Health Technology, even the FCT special hospital for infectious disease, I am grateful to God.
The $80 million project is expected to improve infrastructure, strengthen the healthcare workforce, and ensure equitable access to essential health services across the FCT. This 5-day engagement from 13th to 17th of January 2025 marks a significant step in delivering on the FCT's promise of quality healthcare for all residents. Usman Katun Umar, ASO Television News.